Bishop Shiva. I, Zvikomborero Huchi, I am here to talk about the construction of our church. Congratulations for the anticipation and the achievement that has become a reality. The milestone that you all people have been waiting for is now fulfilled. Although we had faced so many challenges and distractions, we made it and became successful. It seems it's an estimate, but not it's real. Now we are secure from bad weather conditions like rainfall and so on. Nobody can now feel restricted to come to church as we have a comfortable and pleasant place to pray in. Also, the presence of God will be with us during our prayers, protecting us, as cleanliness is next to godliness. What is left is to maintain it and take good care of it, as to keep it pleasant and clean. For all this, we have to thank our leaders who motivated, aspirated, and influenced us to construct the church. In addition, we appreciate you all who assisted, cooperated, put their willpower, and who were being solidarity to build the church. Thank you.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Anza hapana chachika kuya kuchechi nekuti takachengetedzeka pekunamatira. Tifarire muzita Jesu, amen. Tinotenda tiwane korasi yakanaka, makwaya edu achiuya sekudanwa kwavaita.